how to deactivate your TikTok account. So if you want to deactivate your TikTok account, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here on the profile, go for the upper right, which has that three-bar icon, and tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, you need to simply go for account, which is on the first. Under account, here on the last option, you will have deactivate or delete account. So tap on deactivate if you want to deactivate your TikTok account. And again, tap on deactivate account, which is on the first option. And then tap on deactivate, which is on the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on it, your account will be deactivated. So if you deactivate, no one will see your account and content, and information that isn't stored in your account, such as direct messages, may still be available to others. TikTok will continue to keep your data so that you can recover it when you reactivated your account. And you can reactivate your account and recover all content anytime by using the same login details. So if you want to deactivate, tap on deactivate and your account will be deactivated. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.